Namaste everyone, I welcome you all. Having straight teeth and beautiful smile is something that we all want throughout our lives, no matter how young or how old we are. However, many people have misconception about what is the best age to undergo orthodontic treatment using braces to help straighten their teeth. But the reality is that there is no easy answer to this question that applies to all the patients, because right time to get braces depends on many factors. In today's video, I will be explaining 3 different categories of age groups suitable for orthodontic treatment. So without any delay, let's begin with our today's video. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more healthy videos like this. Keep watching. It's a good idea to get orthodontic evaluation done by the time your child reaches age 7 years. An orthodontist is a dentist with an additional training, specializes in aligning and straightening of teeth. Now, talking of factors here, the suitable time for your child to get dental braces depends on the severity and causes of misalignment of your child's teeth. Now let's know in brief braces of different age ranges. It includes pre-teens to teens, teenagers to younger adults and mature adults. Orthodontic treatment for pre-teens and teens age group includes children between age of 10 to 14 years. Traditionally, the orthodontic treatment begins at this age because your child has lost most of his or her baby teeth and majority of permanent teeth are already grown in. Well, this is the factor that affects timing of braces. Another factor here is state of jawbone. Jawbone at this age of child is not fully developed. It is still growing and forming. Advantage here is that as jawbone is not fully developed, it is still under process of growing and forming. It is easier to shift the teeth, and also because the jawbone is not fully matured, fully developed now, to correct the bite issues is also easier compared to mature adults. Interceptive and preventive orthodontic treatment is especially valuable at this age where your child's growth is still under process. If your dentist believe it will be more difficult to straighten teeth and align bite issue at later ages of life. Next age group includes teenagers and younger adults between age of 14 to 20 years, when majority of orthodontic patients will have their braces applied. This is generally the age range where all the permanent teeth are fully emerged into the jaw, yet tissues and bones are still under the process of maturing, thereby making it easier for the teeth to move into the position in a reasonable, efficient time frame. Teenagers and younger adults are more patient compared to younger children, and they have better understanding regarding the occasional pain that comes with adjustment and incremental tightening of braces. Another advantage here is that children at this age have better hygiene habits and they will follow the necessary steps to maintain appliances and keep them clean. This will help to prevent discoloration of enamel as the time passes. Depending on the severity of malalignment of teeth and bite issues, your orthodontist may plan treatment in 2 phases. First phase is interceptive phase and second phase is corrective phase, where the preventive and interceptive treatment will take place between age of 10 to 14 years, that is pre-teens and teens age range. The corrective treatment will take place between age of 14 to 20 years, that is teenagers and younger adult range. Such kind of treatment that has been done in 2 phases, it will shorten the time of phase 2, that is corrective phase, as early treatment has already been done. So overall, teens and younger adults are the most common orthodontic patients for many reasons, but there are still instances where treatment may be delayed. One of the reasons here is wisdom tooth emergence. Emergence of wisdom tooth may cause problem. In many cases, it is recommended to remove wisdom tooth before the orthodontic treatment begins to get the best results. Last age range here is mature adults. There are growing number of cases where mature adults are choosing to have orthodontic braces, or they are recommended to get them by their dentist. Well, there are many reasons that mature adults choose to have braces at this age. Some of the reasons are they have better resources now at this age, they have time and a good health status which is needed to successfully undergo the treatment. Some mature adults are recommended to undergo orthodontic treatment to correct dental issues which are growing with time. Also, if any injury or accident has caused damage which can only be corrected by orthodontic treatment and support, your dentist will recommend one. Lastly, I would like to say, regardless of any specific reason, adults of all ages can be viable candidate for braces to achieve a wide range of outcome. So friends, that was all about different age ranges for orthodontic treatment. But always remember, when it comes to getting the smile you have always wanted, there is no time like present to get started. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay fit.